Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, and I'm really pretty excited. In a few days, I'm going to share with you the results of a particular deck stain test that I've run over the past 2 years. But I need to show you something right now. But first, let's take a look at this. All right, you see that? That's probably why you're upset about your deck sealer. See how they peel and they look crappy? Yeah, well, check this out. You're not going to believe what I'm going to show you next. Okay, look at these boards right here. They look pretty good, don't they? Pretty flipping amazing. All right, but look at this one right here. I'm pulling out. See this board right here? This is a piece of wood here. Look at this. This particular piece of wood is the test sample. And look at it compared to the wood that's been exposed for 2 years. This one I did in May 2020. That's just almost 2 years old. It's crazy. Look how good these boards look after 2 years. Yeah, I thought you'd be interested. That control sample of wood, it's been in my garage for 2 years. Didn't see any sunlight until today. Crazy. All right, that means that I may have found a deck sealer that could last 3, maybe even 4 years before you have to redo it. Think how much money and time that is going to save you down the road. I know you're going to want to know the name of this deck sealer. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to reveal that really, really soon. So stay tuned. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.